Greenville, Tipp City, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, West Milton, Oakwood, and Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms this evening, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may be severe this evening. Locally heavy rainfall possible this evening. Breezy with lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of rain and snow showers. Breezy and much colder with highs in the lower 40s. West winds 20 to 25 miles an hour. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour, decreasing to 35 miles an hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 20%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour, becoming west 5 to 10 miles an hour after midnight. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers in the evening, then a chance of rain and snow showers after midnight. Lows in the upper 30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 40%. And Friday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 40s. Here is a flash flood watch for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Licking, Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms will continue through this evening. Additional rainfall amounts will be around a half inch to an inch with locally higher amounts
Sorry
possible.
guys, I'm shaking.
This rainfall will...
Oh, here's our first EIS coming in the station.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Clark County, Madison County, until 5:30 p.m.
Oh my God.
At 5:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near South Charleston, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
No.
Impact, flying debris will
guys,
be
this is a dangerous situation right now.
shelter.
Guys, this is live stream right now. Whoever lives here needs to go into shelter now.
Tree damage is likely.
Where's that at?
Locations impacted include London, Jefferson, West Jefferson, South Charleston,
I'm shaking, guys. I'm sorry. I'm shaking. I'm scared. Scared me to death. Oh, wait, hold on.
South Solon, Midway, Newport, Interstate 70 at US Route 42, Amity,
Look at that, guys.
Chapel, State Route 29 at State Route 38, Interstate 70 at State Route 56, Madison Lake and Plattsburgh. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 68
Sorry,
and 86.
guys, I'm shaking. Look at me, I'm shaking, guys.
Interstate 71 in Ohio between mile markers 83 and 87. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter.
I'm sorry, guys,
and
I'm shaking so bad.
flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media.
I'm shaking, guys. I'm
Do
sorry.
so safely. Here is a flash flood watch
Yes.
for the following counties in Ohio:
a tornado warning right there.
Madison, Pickaway, and Union. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Wednesday. Showers and thunderstorms will continue through this evening. Additional rainfall amounts will be around a ½ inch to an inch with locally higher amounts possible.
Alright guys, well I'm going to cancel the video since severe weather's hitting us right now. Anyway, blessings and prayers please, whoever lives in this tornado-prone area. Please, please, please. Be safe out there, guys. Be safe, okay? Be safe. Whoever lives in this area, prayers and blessings, okay? This outbreak will be gone soon. So anyway, guys, I'll see you guys later. I'm sorry I'm shaking. I'm sorry I'm chewing my gum.